we have Zuppardi's coming to do a demo. So we're over ingredients, and we are supplying the oven and Fabrizio from the manufacturer, and we're going to solve a problem, or we're going to provide a solution, not solve a problem. We're going to provide a solution for manufacturing pizzas in a very fast way, high volume.
It's great.
That's what you want.
Yeah, that's what I want.
The top.
The top is good.
That's it.
No, I like it. So presentation by everyone, great. Enjoyed it. I'm more of a hands-on type person, so this here is what I think will sell this oven very much. At the end of the day, especially with pizza makers, they got to make sure that their pizza or their bake is how they want it, and that the oven is able to do that. And I think this is the best part of it, but the presentation and the hands-on, necessary. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's perfect. So people buy it with their eyes. When I look at a pizza and I see would I buy that in a store? If it's oddly shaped, sometimes that's different, you know? Everything's handmade, but I see that package and it's fun. For me.
I agree with you too.
Yeah.
When I see it, I always look, and that's what I fall in love with.
People buy with their eyes.